Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a tutorial on how doing Anylogic. So first of all, obviously you have to download Anylogic. So if you guys don't know where to find it, just Google it and you guys will find it. So just click here, and then download. So when you're done, install it, and this thing will pop up. So as you guys can see, what I'm doing here is the phase one. So the phase one over here, like it says on above, you have to open it. Welcome page. It will pop up like this, or the yellow one, and then just create new model, the name market, and then model time days, and then you can pick wherever file path you want to save. And then when you're done, just follow this instruction for for the phase one, and this is the phase. Okay, and then when you're done, it will pop up like this. Let me play for a little while. Let me play it. Where is it? Okay, here. So as you guys can see here, okay, it's very much random, lots of black colors of 2D models. So we're gonna move on to the next phase, which is the phase 2. Over here it says that we need to click the consumer button. Sorry, consumer button. Okay, and then they popped up like this. Alright, so says here that we need to change it, consumer presentation, so it's correct. Okay, what else do we need to change? Visible on upper level, and draw edging with offside position. Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay, we don't need that. Visible, is it yes? Visible, is it yes? Okay, draw edging with offset. So that's it. Okay, so let's move on. So with that being said, okay, when we are done with that, so just create, oops, sorry. And then with that, so draw an agent offset. So on the toolbar, it will have this button, so we're gonna build it. On the toolbar, we have this. Okay, we're gonna build it, I guess. Whoa, what? Okay, on toolbar, build button, check for errors. Okay, do we you have errors or something? No. Okay, and then locate the run button, and then choose market simulation. Okay, market simulation. So we have that. I just clicked it. Let's see. Okay, popped up like this. Same. Alright. So what else do we need? Okay, looks the same as us. Okay, so now we're ready for the phase 2. So for the phase 2, we're gonna go for projects. Okay, we're gonna click for consumer. So just double click it, then it will pop up consumer tab. Okay, just like, sorry, there's a lot of taskbar, kind of confused me. Consumer over here, just same as mine. Can I show you guys how full screen it is? But yeah, that's just okay. So here on this, it says drag the state chart entry point from the state chart palette on the consumer diagram. Okay, so we're gonna go for the consumer diagram. It says here that we need to do for the state chart. Where is it? Alright, state chart entry point here, right? Okay, we're gonna drag that thing. Okay. Drag that thing. Yeah, here. And then what it says. Okay, state chart, and then we're gonna click this yellow thingy. Then we're gonna put state. Okay. Okay, how about we put it here? And you, my friend, how about we? Okay. Yeah, let's go there, shall we? Or since it's quite a bit hard to actually, yeah, it's better that way. So after that, we're just gonna click on the graphical editor, just here, and then we're gonna change it to potential user, and then we're gonna change to lavender color. So let's do that. Where is it again? Properties, name, show name. Okay. Ow, sorry. Kind of a bit clumsy for a guy, huh? Potential user. Is it? Is that how you spell it? Potential user. Font lavender. Okay, why does it? Alright. Okay. Potential user. So on properties, right? So we basically, yeah, on the properties, description, that thing. So this is correct. Potential user, the color lavender. So the thing is, the code, we have to put entry section. So shape, body, set field color. So we're gonna do that as well. Shape. What was it? Sorry, kind of. Okay, shape body dot set fill color. Okay, fill color lavender. So is it correct? Let's see. Fill color. Okay, with this spell. Okay, and then lavender. Oh, sorry. Just that. Okay. So we're done with that. Oh, we do have the completion system. So, alright. On the palette. Here shape bodies. Okay. So, we need to have another one. It says over here. So we need to have another one. Oh, sorry. Just gonna, yeah, bring you here a little bit. So the name should be changed to user and yellow green. Okay. User yellow green. Okay. Set body. Am I right? Whoa, there's one error. Oh, of course. Of course there's one error because I haven't filled up right. Shape body set fill color. Okay. See. Shape body dot set fill color. Yeah. Yellow. Green. Is it right? Is it right? Is that about it? Alright. That's that. Right? Let's just drag you a little bit over here. And what else do we need to? Okay, we're gonna go for transition this time. So do we have transition? We do. Okay, so we're gonna go there. Right about that. Alright. So see, you guys can see there's no error anymore. Alright. So on the transition, we're gonna click transition over here. So the name, going to change it into at and then at effectiveness. Okay, per day. At, was it right? Time out. Was it? Triggered by rate. Triggered by rate. And then on the rate, we have at effectiveness. Rate, we have at effectiveness per day. Yeah, per day. So we do it, and so it's going to look like this, right? Yeah, it's going to look like that. So yeah. Whoops, sorry. So it's going to look like that. And then this is just like transition trigger. So this timer, rate, condition, yada yada yada. So on here, now let's set up the model time units to tune the model setting. So we need to go to the market in the properties view. So okay, we need to create a new model. Was it? No. What am I talking about? It's here. Ha 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 ha. Then okay, so it says here. Oops, sorry. Market days. Good. Market days. So let's see. So market days. Okay. Let's press F5 to play. Let's see how it goes. Does it gonna look like this or not? We going to see. See? It works. So this is the view of it. So we're just gonna close it and we're gonna move to the next one. Okay. So this is the phase 3. Bear with me, phase up until 8, it's going to be a long journey. So yeah. So phase 3, adding a chart to visualize the model output. So we're going to click on the consumer on the main part. So we're just going to do that as well. Consumer, is it the consumer or the model? So okay, consumer. So just going to click it right here. Whoa, what happened? Okay. Alright, just going to click here. And then what does it want? I want us to press this, and then okay, before that, show name, population agent. We're gonna show that. We're gonna see whether what is that? Okay, on the consumer part and then statistics here. So it does shows name, and then population agents. Yeah, already been tick. 5,000. Good. What else? 0.01 per day. Guess it's good. So no items found defined yet. Okay, so it says here we're just gonna add 1 over here, and then we're just gonna copy all this. All right, I'm just gonna copy all this. Okay, what do we do? And potential. Okay, we're just gonna change the name and potential. Okay, and then count. Yes, it's already been taken off. Okay, item dot instate. Just item dot instate. Consumer potential user. Okay. Consumer dot potential. Forgot to change that. Consumer potential user. So it looks like that. Correct? No? Yeah, okay. So just yeah. And then we're gonna create another one, which is end user over here. So just gonna create another one. And user. Whoa. Okay. And then just gonna use this one. Can we copy? Can we try to do that? Haha. Yeah. Item in state, consumer user, count and user. Okay, that's about it. So we're done with that. Just gonna click this function on the properties and duplicate button. Okay, we have that duplicate button. Okay, there's that button. So open the analysis palette. Time step chart. Okay, we're gonna do that. Do we have that? So we're gonna open up the palette. Okay, we're gonna click on analysis and time step chart. Wait, do we need to drag? Let's see. Yes. Ta-da! Looks like that. Am I wrong? No? Yeah? Yeah, it looks like that. So this is the types of chart it has. This one looks kind of interesting, you know? Alright, so we need to click on the properties for this one. So we already in there. So we need to change the name as a chart if there's no. Okay. Add item, which on what label? Okay, on data. So on data, so here we already have one. Okay. So what do we have? Okay, so it wants us to change into that. Okay, we need to change into value. You know what? Wait. Alright, so here it says that you want it to change to consumer.end user. So the value over here, so just gonna change that. Where do we want to put that? Okay, on the value. Alright. Is that it? Consumer.end user. Okay. And then one is to go for yellow green again. Do we need to change the color? Yellow green. Alright, that's that. and then we want us to create another one. Okay, add more on the title. So I'm gonna get another one. So we want us to change to lavender. Oh, sorry, lavender. Wow, didn't know that was the color of the lavender. So consumer potential. Want us to have that as a name on the value. So yeah, that's about that, right? So okay, want us to go to the scales section and set time window equal to 1 year. So gonna go for this. Okay, we're just gonna close that one. Gonna go for scale. So the time window, was it? Time windows, yeah, equal to 1 year. Wow. Mm, year, 1 year. So yeah, here. Fix that equal to 1000. Fix to 5000. Why does it look like that? And then on the data update, okay, just gonna data update. So display up to 365. Alright, yeah, maybe short 0 days, 1 days. Okay, that's about it. On the appearance, we are going to place below left and below left. Okay, model date. I pick that one, right? Yeah, whatever it is. And then that's that. So on the main diagram, move the presentation to the consumer. Move the way. Alright, if that's what you wanted. Darling, you gotta be a little bit further than that. So let's run the model. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Does it work? Ah, it does work, thank God. So this is the bar. See, if you guys can see, the thingy is moving, which is a good thing. Because, you know, when you actually having a trouble or if anything wrong during the session, during the process of you doing it, it's going to have this part where right before the running session opened, it will shows popped up saying that there's any issues of what is going on. Like, you know, like we cannot run this because there's like a difficulties. Alright, let's go for the next step, which is phase 4. So, and the project consumer, okay, we need to open consumer diagram by double clicking consumer. Okay, on the consumer here, we're gonna, okay, double clicking consumer, add a parameter. Okay, add a parameter. Do we need to? Wait, what? Okay, we need to add a parameter over here. Sorry. So once we add the parameter, name the parameter rate. So we're just gonna copy it. So contact rate, as we should, and then add another parameter called adoption fraction. Okay, gonna do that as well. So that's that. Okay. Type double and set 0.01. Oh, you mean everything? Okay, the rate is 1 per day, so type 1 as the parameter default values on the contact rate. Whoa, we don't need that. Okay, I'm just gonna go for 1 default. And you, my friend, gonna go for 0.01, as we should. So the consumer diagram should look like this, if you will. Which is true, looks like that. That's what it should be. And then we need to whoops, sorry. So this is the 6 steps, right? Alright, true. Alright, so open the consumer diagram and increase the user. Alright, so we need to in the user type, so we're gonna make it bigger a little bit since we are going to, you know, yeah. What am I doing? Okay, since we're gonna do like a transition out of it, so might as well just, where is the transition out here? So just gonna make it inside. Okay, what? Alright, so we're just gonna click that. See, that's about it. Yeah, it looks like this. And we are going to modify. Okay, so the contact transitioned, we are going to change it into this. So we're gonna click on here, gonna set it into contact. What was it? Yeah, contact, but with the capital C. And then rate, contact rate. Contact rate per day. That's about it. Contact rate per day. And then we are using this code on the action. Send to random by. So that's that. So yeah. Am I right? Am I doing it right? Yeah, that's that. See? Changed. So we need to create a new one. Another potential user. Yung name. Oh, okay. So we're gonna go for transition once again. I should have changed this to here a little bit. You know. Alright. Um, okay, so I'm gonna use the word one. One word of message. Yeah, and then gonna go triggered by message here. Triggered by message, and it is a string. Triggered by message, and it's a string, obviously. And then we put by on the action. On the action, put it by, and then gonna go for this random true adoption fraction on the card. Okay, we did it, and then just gonna save it. We're done saving. Good. And want us to check whether okay. Sorry. Want us to check. Where is it? Yeah, here. Ha 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 ha. There's an error. See? There's an error. Where is it? Where is the error? What? Oh, sorry. See, it says here bye. Message, not action. Ha. You see what is wrong? Yes, that is wrong. Alright, so let's see, shall we? And then let's try to play. See? Now it's working. Told you if you put it on the wrong ta-da. So now it works. So I guess that's it. We'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Bye bye.